Hey, it's your girl, Realtor Latoya D here, your favorite new construction specialist. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss a new home tour. And if you are looking for a new home, be sure to visit LatoyaDillard.com to browse homes that fit your style and your budget. Today, we are at StoneSummit at Reedy Creek by Mattamy Homes, which is a beautiful new townhome community that combines low-maintenance living with an unbeatable location. Now, one of the biggest reasons buyers are choosing this community is its convenience. StoneSummit at Reedy Creek is just minutes from Uptown Charlotte, University City, and UNC Charlotte, and it offers easy access to Interstates 485 and 85, making it simple to get wherever you need to go. So if you are looking for a low-maintenance lifestyle, you will appreciate that the HOA is just $200 per month, and it includes lawn care, giving you more time to enjoy your home and less time worrying about the yard work. The community itself is thoughtfully designed with tree-lined sidewalks, preserved green spaces, walking paths, and a pocket park where residents can relax and enjoy the outdoors. But when it comes to shopping, dining, and entertainment, you will have plenty of options nearby. You are just minutes from IKEA, the Bellgate Shopping Center, the University City Boardwalk, Reedy Creek Nature Preserve and Park, nearby healthcare facilities, and University Research Park, which is one of Charlotte's largest employment centers. Now, let's take a look at the home we are touring today. The Aurora floor plan offers approximately 1824 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a 1-car garage. So whether you are a first-time home buyer, a busy professional, or simply looking for a modern, low-maintenance home, this floor plan offers a great combination of style and functionality. As soon as you step inside, you are welcomed by an inviting foyer that leads directly into the open concept main living area. The kitchen serves as the heart of the home, featuring a large center island with a breakfast bar seating, stainless steel appliances, and a spacious walk-in pantry. It flows seamlessly into the dining area and the great room, creating an ideal space for entertaining or spending time with family and friends. Now, just off the great room is the rear patio, providing the perfect place to enjoy your morning coffee or unwind after a long day. The first floor also includes a convenient paddle room and direct access to the 1-car garage. Upstairs, you will find all 3 bedrooms, including the spacious owner suite with a large walk-in closet, 2 additional bedrooms, a full hall bath, and a centrally located laundry room complete the 2nd floor, making this layout both practical and functional for everyday living. So overall, this floor plan makes excellent use of its space, offering an open and inviting main level while keeping the bedrooms privately tucked away upstairs. So if you like more information about StoneSummit at Reedy Creek or any other community in the area, give me a call. I would love the opportunity to earn your business. Hope you enjoy the rest of this tour. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. As always, I will see you on the next home tour. Take care.